Namaste and welcome back to your own YouTube channel. My name is Sujala. Today we'll start the session for 10 minutes of morning stretches. Let's start by sitting in Vajrasan, and as we inhale, lift the chin up, and exhale, tuck your chin to your throat. Simple neck stretches. Inhale, lift the chin up towards the sky, and exhale, we'll tuck the chin to the throat, shoulders relaxing. Inhale, back to center, side stretches. Exhale, bring the chin to your right shoulder. Inhale, center, and chin to the left shoulder. Inhale, center, exhale, right. Inhale, center, exhale, left. Next, we will do side bends. We will use our right hand to place it on the left side of the head to squeeze the right ear towards the right shoulder, and do the same thing on the other side. And once you are ready, I will see you on the tabletop pose, keeping the knees a little bit apart. Palms just below your shoulders. Inhale, lift the head up. Exhale, squeeze. Chin to the throat. We'll do it 2 more rounds. Inhale up. Exhale, squeeze it. And 1 more round. Inhale, lift the head up, and exhale, bring it down. Inhale, neutral your spine, and this time as we exhale, we are going to squeeze our right torso and look towards your right hip. Inhale back to center and exhale on the other side. Let's repeat it. Inhale and exhale, right side. Inhale and exhale, left side. From here, we will roll ourselves back to half-seated pose and straighten the right leg to the right side for the side stretches. Inhale, lift the left hand up, and as you exhale, slide the right palm on the right leg and squeeze the right side of the body while stretching the left ribs completely. Next, the opposite stretch, dropping the left hand down on the floor, and inhale, raising the right arm up. Only if you feel comfortable, gaze at your right palm. Next exhalation, come back to center and prepare yourself to come back to tabletop pose. From here, inhale, lift the legs off the mat for high plank, and bring your right leg forward in between your palms. Raise your right hand up and gaze towards your right palm. Stay here for a couple of deeper breaths. And only when you're comfortable, bring the right palm parallel to the floor. Stay here and slowly get your palms back and draw your right leg back to high plank and dropping both the knees down, coming back to half-seated pose. Let's practice the same stretches on the other side. Draw your left leg, open it up towards the left side. Inhale, raise your right palm up and stretch the right side completely and squeeze the left. Stay here, couple of breaths. And as you exhale, let's stretch the other side. Bring the right hand close to the right leg and stretch the left arm up. Only if you're comfortable, gaze it. And couple of deeper breaths there. On the next exhalation, bring your knees back to the center and inhale, left leg forward in between your palms this time. Inhale, another breath, and raise your left palm up towards the sky. Gaze your left palm. while grounding your right hand down firmly on the floor. Stay here for a couple of breaths, and once you're ready, bring the palms back. Next exhalation, take the legs back, coming to a tabletop pose, and from here, lift both the knees off the mat, coming to high plank. Next breath, place both the knees down and straighten your right leg and take it back and across towards your left leg. You're going to stretch the right side completely till your right ankle. Keep breathing here, couple of breaths. You can adjust your body accordingly. And only if you feel comfortable, raise your left palm up. Left arm up completely and rotate it further. Bring it up towards the sky. If you feel comfortable, gaze your palm and roll it back to the mat. Draw your leg back to center, and we are going to do the same practice on the other side. Inhale, lift your left leg back and across right side. Place the foot down, and only when you feel comfortable, then you raise your right hand forward. And draw it up towards the sky. Change your gaze if you feel comfortable. Breathe in and out. And next exhalation, draw your hand back to tabletop pose. Take the leg back. This was an intense stretch. So next you come to tabletop and roll yourself back. While rolling yourself back, curve your back so that you give a good stretch to the back muscles. Lift yourself back up to a seated Vajrasana on your toes. Now inhale, open your chest, take your arms back, slightly arching the back. Exhale, curve yourself completely, gliding the palms on the thigh. Inhale, stretch, and exhale, curve it back. One more time. Inhale, stretch, open the chest, and exhale, squeeze it. Bring your palms to the mat. Come to downward facing dog. Increase the gap between your legs. Lift your palms and interlace your forearms and just loosen up your upper half of the body. You can bend your knees slightly here and release the body down. Keep breathing here, couple of deeper breaths. And on the next inhalation, ground your palms. Inhale, exhale, go deeper. Bring your abdomen close towards your thigh as much as you can. Prepare for a twist. Keep the left palm down and inhale, rotate your right towards the sky. Couple of breaths here. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Right hand down and inhale, twist to the left. Keep breathing, and as you exhale, bring both the hands down. Release your palms from the floor, bring the legs a little bit closer, take your arms up and back and interlace your fingers to each other. Squeeze your hand towards the ceiling You can keep your knees slightly bent, look straight, and as you exhale, come to a seated pose, Malasana. Also called as yogic squat. I hope you enjoyed the session and start the day with this Malasana practice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.